hello, Simon speaking. Today I wanted to talk about option when you work with curves and NURBS surfaces in Softimage. How to use option extend to curve. I would like to show you because first of all I will draw curve because we have two options. This option is for modification of curve, modify, create, draw cubic by CVS. Okay, today I will show you how to use this option. Extend to surface. First of all, I will have to generate shape from curve. Because I studied one option. Okay, my right mouse button, I will close curve. Control D. Because I want to create loft. Okay, where's option? Surface mesh, loft. After that, we will have to. Wait a minute, I just have to check something. Delete. Freeze modeling. This option deletes input. Okay, after that I believe I can draw another curve. I divided viewport and I draw curve in frontal viewport instead. Wait a minute. I just have to check something. Okay, it automatically comes in viewport. Okay, after that I will be able to show to you. I like option extend. Now we can use option extend. Where did I see this? Surface mesh extend to curve. You have to select this and this. I think this error came up because it is in the wrong direction. So I have to move to proper direction. This object doesn't look too good. I have to check if I can invert normals. I didn't know I was supposed to do that. You can see I can edit the vertex of the surface. Okay, let's check now because I made one mistake. Surface mesh. Extend to curve. I wonder what's that? This shouldn't happen like that. Something is not right. I wonder what did I do wrong. I wonder what did I do wrong. Probably I have to delete and probably I will have to draw new object. Let's do this once again. Sorry, I should do this straight away. Maybe this shouldn't belong to that object. Let's check what happens. Oh, and close it. Okay. Surface mesh, extend. This is because when you draw curve you're supposed to deselect original object. And that is why this didn't connect properly. Also I can modify this. Oh, this looks cool. Sorry people, forgive me, because I knew nothing about order of curves. I remember what I did wrong. When I tried to draw curve, this object was already selected. So I was supposed to deselect original object. Now after that you have to select the both and use option freeze modeling. You probably can use the same curve. I will check because Softimage is like Maya. Translate manipulator. Let's check if we can add insert note. Can I use this option? I probably can do this. Insert note. So we have another. We have extra points. Oh, we have even Bezier. It sounds good. It really looks cool. But if I was you, I probably would use different viewport to be able to manipulate Bezier. Because in perspective viewport, it is really hard to manipulate Bezier. Okay. Oh, I didn't know I can do that in this program. Oh, wonderful. I'm very interested in what shape I will get after performing that operation. Okay, surface mesh. Extend to curve. Oh, I was a little bit afraid if this works without any problems. But it works okay. We have this option. We have also this option. I don't know what this option does here. Scaling does nothing. What we got here? Oh, some other different options. Oh no, I messed up a little bit with settings. I shouldn't change settings. I will leave as it is. As you can see, sorry that I couldn't publish proper video straight away. Let's check if I can convert this to polygons. I didn't use surfaces in this program. I was using polygon modeling tool. Okay, what we got here? Surface mesh. I will probably have to study how to convert this. Oh no. I wonder if this program has that option because I didn't convert to polygons yet. We also have option assemble. This is quite interesting. I want to talk about it, but I will have to study because I'm not sure how to convert surfaces into mesh. I still have to study this because I done NURBS modeling in Maya and Blender and 3ds Max, but in this program I just have to get used to people. I hope you like my video tutorial.